College of DuPage, one of the first things we realized is how do we balance what's called a hydronic system. And this is what another instructor and myself came up with, and we call it a hydronics training and balancing wall. And what you're seeing here is multiple boilers, which will also give students and lend experience on different types and styles of systems available. But these switches and controls can open up different valves that will change the dynamics of what is actually happening inside of the system. These systems, when we go to balance them, can exhibit on a micro-size scale multiple types of engineered designs, meaning direct or reverse return, just like the bigger systems in our lab. And we took all of the equipment that we had in our lab laying around, and we decided to give ourselves a different way of looking at hydronics and how we could play with it and study the hydraulic known as water, whether it be through radiant loops, as you see here, whether it's through unit heaters, whether it's through multiple pumping scenarios, or whether it's through a direct or reverse return environment, and to see how that balance lends a truth to what a lot of people describe as a self-balancing system.